If you think na gastos lang ang marketing, your business will never grow. Sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin sa business tulad ng HR, ng sales, ng inventory management, sa bookkeeping at lalo na sa marketing. If you do them right, these are all investments. Now, bakit investment? Dahil sa bawat piso na ginamit mo, na ginastos mo sa mga bagay na yan, dapat may babalik sa iyo ng at least doble ng tinaya mo. If not, then you are not doing things right. Isinayang mo lang ang pera at hindi mo ginamit sa tamang paraan. So, take things more seriously in your small business from now on. For marketing, focus on knowing who your target customers are. Understand what they need and what they want from you that only you can provide. Now, once this is clear to you, then find out where they are and what is the best way for you to be able to tell them about you and about what you can do for them better than anyone else. So, when the orders come in and when your brand becomes stronger, you'd know that your marketing is no longer an expense but an investment. Kaya magtipirin ang marketing budget mo as long as you are doing marketing right dahil malaki ang maitutulong nito sa paglago ng negosyo. Comment below if you agree.